Many parts of the state were flooded after incessant rainfall from Thursday night until Friday morning. The heavy rainfall affected normal lives of people all across the state due to flooding of several roads, fields, rivers, etc. The river Valvonti is also close to danger mark and the Bicholim river is flowing at dangerously high levels. Commuters travelling to work and school got stranded due to the flooded road at Bambolim. A car was also found half sunk into the water. Roads were flooded in Miramar, Santines and parts of Panjim as well. Commuters found it difficult to travel by foot as well as bikes and cars. They had to take extra care to avoid potholes and gutters that were submerged in rainwater. Speaking to Don Bosco Channel, CCP Mayor Vittal Choprekar said that the roads in the city got flooded due to the heavy rainfall and also due to the high tide. He also said that the drains in the city have been cleared of rubbish, so the roads will not be getting flooded.
पणजी फ्लडींग जाला आता एवरी इयर पावस पडटा आनी एवरी इयर आता फ्लडींग जावपाचे थंय जातात. आता कितें जाला रातच्यान कंटिन्यूस पावस चालू आसा. आता पळय आतांच मातसो थांबलेलो आसा आनी सगळी कडेन त्याच फाटी इवन हायटायड जाल्लो आसा त्यामुळे सगळी कडेन फ्लडींग जाल्लें आसा. सो आतां सगळी कडेन आमी आतां चॅक केला की खंय खंय मातशें कितें प्लास्टीक उरलेलें आसा तें आमी ओपन केलां आनी उदक आतां वता आनी जाता आतां देंवता. सगळी इवन 18 जून रोड भरलेलें तें देंवल्लें आसा. फक्त आता प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो आता सांतिनेज नाला आसा तो फूल ओवरफ्लो भरलेलो आसा आनी आमी आतां वता. इवन आमचे दर्या आसा तो फूल हायटायड ताका लागून फूल उदक वयर येयल्लें आसा आनी आतां हळू हें आतां कमी जाता. ड्रेनेज एवरी इयर आमी क्लीन करता. इवन दीस इयर सुद्दां मातशें लेट जालां पण तें आमी क्लीन केलां. पण आतां कितें जाता कंटिन्यू पावस पडल्या कारणान आनी हायटायडूय आसलो त्यामुळे हें सगळें जाल्लें आसा. आता आमी सिटीन एक राउंड मारून आयिल्लो आसा. 18 जून रोड फूल आतां देंवला उदक देंवला. रेड जास्त फ्लड जाल्यार ती म्हणटा ही मिरामार सायड.
ओके.
मिरामार पण ती कितें आसा ती ड्रेनेजाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा. ड्रेनेज क्रॉस ड्रेन सारकी ना सगळ्या हितून एक्चुली ड्रेन मिरामार फूल ते PWD करता. ते गेली म्हाका दिसता 7 एक वर्सां इवन एक्स मेयरा कडेन हांव उलयतालो गेली 7 एक वर्सां तेंच्यांनी ती करूंक ना आनी इवन तांणी ती आतां फुडें करपाक जाय. इवन सरकारानूय हेजेर कितें लक्ष घालपाक जाय. इवन फुडल्या हे सगळ्या लोकांक जे त्रास जाता ते जावपाक जायना. इवन आतां स्मार्ट सिटी GSIDC तांणी कितें तरी एक प्लॅन करून एक आतां हेका एक बरें आर्किटेक्ट नाजाल्यार इंजिनियर हें करून जाता तितले बेग्यान फुडल्या वर्सां हे सगळे त्रास जावपाक जायना आनी ह्या ड्रेनेजांचेर भर दिवपाक जाय.
Mohanlal Sahu, director at the Indian Meteorological Department Altino, said that the red alert will continue for the next 24 hours. He also informed that the state has experienced the second highest rainfall within the last 3 years.
Monsoon was vigorous during last 24 hours over the Goa state and very good rainfall was recorded during past 24 hours. Highest rainfall of 205 mm was recorded at Ponda and the average rainfall for the day is 122 mm which is the highest of this season. So the rainfall was due to offshore trough. Then in addition to that one cyclonic circulation lies over Bay of Bengal and one cyclonic circulation, upper air cyclonic circulation over Chhattisgarh and Odisha and another upper air cyclonic circulation over Marathwada. So the combined effect of this was there due to which lot of moisture incursion took place and very heavy to very heavy rainfall and one place Ponda has recorded extremely heavy rainfall. For the next 5 days forecast is the widespread rainfall will be there for all the 5 days and for next 24 hours heavy rainfall to very heavy rainfall is expected at few places and extremely heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places. So the red alert is there for next 24 hours. After that there will be heavy to very heavy rainfall at few places on 7th and 8th and heavy to very heavy at isolated places on 9th and 10th. So the next 2 days the orange alert will be there and after that the alert will be lower. So This is the basically due to very strong current coming from the Arabian Sea due to the system offshore trough and upper air cyclonic circulations. So the rainfall activity over the Goa up to from 1st June to till date is quite good, and we have received around 14% more than normal rainfall during this period. 2016 there was one day when 140 millimeter rainfall was recorded. That is the highest. Otherwise, for last 2-3 years, if we will compare, this is the second highest.
कितने परसेंटेज का बारिश कंप्लीट हो चुका है? आपने बोला ना 1200 50% कंप्लीट हो चुका है।
फिर से कंपेयर करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, आपने ये किया था ना,
वो वाला फिगर थोड़ा गड़बड़ हुआ है ना।
हाँ हाँ
293 around 40 42%, 42 to 40, around 42%.
Okay, sir.
So up till now the monsoon rainfall is around 42 to 43% of total monsoon period rainfall, which has already been received over the Goa state. So this year the monsoon performance is quite satisfactory.
He also informed that the state has experienced the second highest rainfall on Friday within the last 3 years. Sahu also advised people and fishermen against venturing into the sea. He said that due to the stormy weather, the seas will be rough and cause major mishaps to sea vessels. When asked about the same to the captain of ports, he said that navigation in the river Mandovi is safer compared to the seas, as the river is much calmer and the cruise boats do not venture beyond the Aguada bar.
Yeah, in the monsoon, these cruise vessels are permitted, subject to the weather conditions being normal conditions, in the sense, if it is squally weather, we inform them and they do not operate. Mere rain conditions and fair weather conditions, these vessels are permitted. They all have their certificate of survey where they are permitted to ply. Those are valid of theirs. If it is not valid, then they are not permitted to operate. Red alert is given by Met Department probably for fishing vessels or venturing at sea. They do not proceed to sea. In fact, they do not go beyond the Aguada bar. Okay. Aguada bar is well within the rivers.
Bureau Report, Don Bosco Channel.